Good morning, children. Sai Ram. I hope you all are fine. Okay, today we are going to see about the chapter number 3. My body needs food. So, without delay, shall we go for today's session? Okay. Okay, the number 1 is new words. We are going to see some new words from this lesson. Grow. And the first word is grow. 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 I repeat the word grow. Grow. Second one, food. 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 I repeat the word food. 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 Third one, stay. 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 I repeat the word stay. Stay. Fourth one, healthy. 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 Next word, kinds. 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 Sixth one, should. 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 Plants. 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 I repeat the word plants. 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 Next one is sources. 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 I repeat the word sources. 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 Next page. Ninth word, grains. 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 I repeat the word, children. Grains. Grains. Tenth one, pulses. 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 Next one, meat. 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 I repeat the word meat. Meat. 12th one, products. 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 Energy. Next word is energy. 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 I repeat the word, children. Energy. Energy. G-Y, energy. Strength. Next word is strength. S-T-R-E-N-G-H-T. Strength. S-T-R-E-N-G-H-T. Strength. Next word is disease. D-I-S-E-A-S-E. Disease. I repeat the word, children. Disease. D-I-S-E-A-S-E. Disease. 16th word is protective. Protective. P-R-O-T-E-C-T-I-V-E. Protective. P-R-O-T-E-C-T-I-V-E. Protective. Next word, balanced. I repeat the word, children. Balanced. B-A-L-A-N-C-E-D. Balanced. B-A-L-A-N-C-E-D. Balanced. 18th one, groups. I repeat the word, children. Groups. G-R-O-U-P-S. Groups. G-R-O-U-P-S. Groups. Next one, vegetarians. Vegetarians. V-E-G-E-T-A-R-I-A-N-S. Vegetarians. Last word, non-vegetarians. N-O-N-V-E-G-E-T-A-R-I-A-N-S. Non-vegetarians. Okay. Shall we go to the now only we have covered the new words topic. So shall we go to the next one? Yes. Missing letters. In this activity you have to find out what are the missing letters in the word. So I have done some examples for you. You just go through it. Afterwards you just find out some words, new words from this lesson, and you just try to find out the missing letters on your own. Okay, so first one, food. F-O-O-D. Food. Grow. G-R-O-W. Grow. Third one is grains. G-R-A-I-N-S. Grains. Fourth one, fruits. F-R-U-I-T-S. Fruits. Meat. M-E-A-T. Meat. Okay, we'll go to the next activity. That is match the following. I have made some questions here and I have put answers here this side. So for your understanding, I have put numbers here for the correct answers. For grains, what is the answer? Rice. I have put one here for you for your understanding. Okay, grains, rice, because rice and wheat is grain, isn't it? So grains, rice. Second one, vegetarian. Vegetarian, those people will eat only fruits and vegetables, right? Milk products. So the answer is vegetables. Third one is pulses. What are pulses? The different kinds of dals are known as pulses. The dals, that is pulses. Okay, so I have put 3 for you here. Dals. Fourth one, non-vegetarians. Non-vegetarians, they will eat meat, egg, fish, vegetables and fruits, right? So I have put meat here. So the right answer is meat. Okay. So number 1 is grains and the answer is rice. Second one is vegetarian. The answer is vegetables. Third one is pulses and the answer is dals. Last one is non-vegetarians and the answer is meat. So next one is, we'll go to the topic next activity. Answer the following questions. So the next one is answer the following questions. So we'll go through the questions which we can see from this chapter. Okay. So the first question is, as you all know, why do we need food? Why do we need food? Our body needs food to grow and stay healthy. I'll repeat the answer for you. Our body needs food to grow and stay healthy. Second questions. What are the foods that we are getting from plants? What are the foods that we are getting from plants? My answer is, we are getting fruits and vegetables from plants. We are getting fruits and vegetables from plants. So third question is, what are grains and pulses? I repeat the question for you. What are grains and pulses? And your answer is, rice and wheat are grains. These two things are main ingredients for Indians, isn't it? So rice and wheat are grains. Rice and wheat are grains. The different kinds of dals are known as pulses. The different kinds of dals are known as pulses. So what are grains and pulses? Rice and wheat are grains. The different kinds of dals are known as pulses. What are animal products? I repeat the question. What are animal products? And the answer is, foods that we are getting from animals are known as animal products. Foods that we are getting from animals are called animal products. Here you can see one picture. So in this basket you can see so many kinds of dals are there. So number 1 is masoor dal. Second one is moong dal. Third one is urad dal. Fourth one is rajma. Fifth one is arhar dal. Sixth one is dried peas. And the center one is corn. So I'll repeat it for you. First one is masoor dal. Second one is moong dal. Third one is urad dal. Fourth one is rajma. Fifth one is arhar dal. Sixth one is dried peas. Seventh one is, and the seventh and center one is what? Corn. So these are what? Pulses. Different kinds of dals are known as pulses. So these all are pulses. Okay. So here we have one question. Name some pulses in basket number 1. Now we have seen the pulses in one basket, right? So we have to write the names here. Corn, C-O-R-N, corn. Masoor dal, M-A-S-O-O-R, masoor dal, D-A-L, dal. Next one, moong dal, M-O-O-N-G, moong, D-A-L, dal, moong dal. Rajma, R-A-J-M-A, Rajma. R-A-J-M-A, Rajma. Arhar dal. A-R-H-A-R, dal. D-A-L, dal. Arhar dal. A-R-H-A-R, arhar. D-A-L, dal. Arhar dal. Next one is dried peas. D-R-I-E-D, dried. P-E-A-S, peas. Dried peas. D-R-I-E-D, dried. P-E-A-S, peas. Next one, urad dal. U-R-A-D, urad. D-A-L, dal. Next picture, you can see some vegetables and fruits here. So the first one is lady's finger. First one is what? Lady's finger. L-A-D-Y-S, that is apostrophe S, F-I-N-G-E-R, finger. Lady's finger. L-A-D-Y apostrophe S, finger. F-I-N-G-E-R, lady's finger. Next one, bananas. Bananas. B-A-N-A-N-A-S, bananas. Next one is apples. A-P-P-L-E-S, apples. Next one is mangoes. M-A-N-G-O-E-S, mangoes. Next one is tomatoes. Tomatoes. T-O-M-A-T-O-E-S, tomatoes. Next one is potatoes. P-O-T-A-T-O-E-S, potatoes. Next one is grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Next one is carrots. C-A-R-R-O-T-S, carrots. And the last one is pumpkin. Pumpkin. So these all are fruits and vegetables. So we are having one more question here. Name some vegetables and fruits in basket number 2. So we have seen one basket here, right, with full of fruits and vegetables. So you have to write the names of fruits and vegetables. Pumpkin, carrots, potatoes, lady's finger, tomatoes, apples, mangoes, grapes and bananas. So in basket number 2 we have seen some fruits and vegetables, right? So next question is, so here we are having one more picture. So you can see different types of food is there. Milk, ghee, butter, paneer, meat, eggs and fish. So these are all different things from different kinds, right? So in the next basket, what we are having, so we are having one question here for basket number 3. Name the things we can see in basket number 3. So your answer is ghee, fish, meat, eggs, paneer or cheese. I repeat the answer for you. Ghee, fish, meat, eggs, paneer or cheese. And my next question is, who are vegetarians? I repeat the question, children. Who are vegetarians? People who eat only milk products, grains, fruits and vegetables are called as vegetarians. So people who eat only milk products, grains, fruits and vegetables are called as what? Vegetarians. They will eat fruits, vegetables, milk products and grains. That's it. So next question is, who are non-vegetarians? Who are non-vegetarians? People who eat milk products, grains, fruits, vegetables, eggs, and meat. Those people are called as non-vegetarians. So, people who eat milk products, grains, fruits, vegetables, and meat and eggs. So, those people are called as non-vegetarians. So, we are having one rhymes for this chapter. I love apples. So, I will sing for you first. Afterwards, you just follow me, okay? I love apples, I love apples. Hark, don't you? Hark, don't you? I eat one every morning, I eat one every morning. Why don't you? Why don't you? One more time, I'll sing for you. I love apples, I love apples. Hark, don't you? Hark, don't you? I eat one every morning, I eat one every morning. Why don't you? Why don't you? I love carrots, I love carrots. Hark, don't you? Hark, don't you? I eat some at lunchtime, I eat some at lunchtime. Why don't you? Why don't you? So we are having one beautiful rhymes for this chapter, isn't it? So you just go through the lesson, go through with the activities, new words, match the following missing letters, answer the following questions. After that, this beautiful rhymes also. We will meet in the next class. Until then, be safe, stay home, and thank you.